Did you know that wildlife confrontation and animal battle videos can be a total gold mine? The channel you're watching right now earns over $1,000 a month just by posting the kind of videos you're seeing. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the power of AI to create high-quality, viral videos for free that will blow up on YouTube. So, if you're looking for a smart way to earn passive income, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials. To start, I'll use Google and search for ChatGPT. The first site you see is the ChatGPT website. I'll click on it to open the page. This is the ChatGPT homepage where we can enter our requests. I'm going to write this prompt for it. I'll click Generate and wait for ChatGPT to write the image and video prompts for us. I've already put a ready-to-use sample in the description that you can copy and use. You just need to change the parts where I've written object. I'll copy the first prompt and head back to Google. This time, I'll type Google Flow and search for it. The first site you see is the Google Flow website. I'll click on that. This page will open up for us. Here, you just need to click on Create with Flow. After clicking that, you'll be directed to this page where you can see the projects you've created. You can see here that I've built projects with it before. Now, we'll click on New Project to open a new one. In this section, when you click on Settings, you can choose your aspect ratio and how many images you want it to generate for you. I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio, set it to generate one image, and choose the Nano Banana 2 model, which is completely free. I'll paste our prompt here. Finally, I'll click Generate and wait for our image to be created. It takes less than 30 seconds for the image to be ready. Our image is done. It looks excellent, cinematic, and absolutely incredible. Now, I want to turn this into a video. I'll go back to the previous page from the top. This time, in the settings, we'll select the video option. We'll click on Frames, choose the 16:9 size, keep it set to one video, and leave the model as VEO 3.1. I'll click on the first frame and select the image we just created. I'll head back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Then, I'll return to Google Flow and paste our prompt in this section. Now, I'll click Generate and wait for our video to be built. The video is ready, let's watch it together. It's excellent. You can use these slow motion sequences on YouTube. Now, I want to use another prompt. I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy our next prompt, and return to Google Flow. In the settings, I'll choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is perfect for social media like Instagram and TikTok. I'll set it to generate one image, and this time I'll use Nano Banana Pro. Both of these models are truly professional and completely free, at least at the time I'm recording this video. I'll paste our prompt here and click Generate to wait for our next image. Our next image is also ready, let's take a look. It's fantastic. A beautiful moonlit night showing a confrontation between a scorpion and a hedgehog. Now, I'll go back to ChatGPT once more and copy the video prompt for this image as well. Returning to Google Flow, I'll paste my prompt here. In the settings, I'll select Video again and set the size to 9:16. There is a quality model, but for this, we'll use the fast model, which consumes 20 credits. I'll click on the first frame, select the created image, and hit Generate to build our video. Keep in mind that on Google Flow, you can currently create only 2 videos for free daily. Our video is ready, let's watch it. I think this video is excellent too and can be used as a YouTube short. The idea is what matters most. The better and more unique the idea, the more views you'll get. I hope you enjoyed this practical tutorial. Now you know how to create viral content without spending a dime. Don't forget to grab the ready-to-use prompts from the description. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future money-making tutorials. Until next time, stay creative.